Gusto mo kape?
Oo, talaga.
Kamusta mga chief? Habang nakatambay ako ng isang araw sa spot, napadaan na dalawang nagbabike. Naisipan ko bigyan ng sariling kape.
I'm racing my mind to a finish line that I must have drawn when I was at my worst. I'm gonna give everything that I've got and complain when I come in
Gusto mo kape?
first.
I'll give you coffee na lang to bring home.
Yun, no? Kalahin mo. We found a friend. Okay, na school. Salamat.
Kape.
Ooh.
Okay, so what that is it's drip coffee. Pero my problem with drip coffee is that may creamer ako kasi tsaka sugar. So, pag nagdala ka ng drip coffee, laging hiwalay pa yung asukal tsaka creamer. So what I did is, sama-sama na lahat. Pero magkakahiwalay yan ha. Magkakahiwalay. Pag binuksan mo, may sachet pa ng creamer, may sachet pa ng sugar.